I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tesla Model 3 screen. This impressive 15-inch touchscreen is your central command center, managing almost every aspect of your vehicle. On the left, you'll find crucial driving information like your current speed and navigation directions. The customizable bottom bar offers quick access to your most used apps and controls, making your daily drive seamless and intuitive. Let's dive in and explore its capabilities. Now, let's look at driving controls. Tapping the car icon brings up a menu where you can adjust everything from your side mirrors and steering wheel position to the climate control. You can also fine-tune your autopilot settings and various safety features for a personalized experience. Explore different acceleration and steering modes to match your driving style, all easily accessible with just a few taps on the screen. Beyond driving, your Model 3 screen is a hub for entertainment and connectivity. You can stream your favorite music, podcasts, and even videos when parked, directly through the car's system. The integrated navigation provides real-time traffic updates and efficient route planning. Plus, easily connect your smartphone via Bluetooth for hands-free calls and to play your personal media library, keeping you connected on every journey. Finally, let's explore customization and advanced features. You can personalize your screen by dragging and dropping app icons on the bottom bar to suit your preferences. Don't forget to check out the toy box for some fun and unique experiences. You can also monitor your energy consumption and charging status in real time, giving you full control and insight into your vehicle's performance. Enjoy making your Tesla truly yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.